So today, guys, Wings VR back for another banger video. And today, oh wait, you're in the server too. Today, we are going to be reviewing this game called Mental Monkeys. Okay, my volume's all the way up. Yeah. Today, we're going to be playing this game called Mental Monkeys with all these people. Because they're just Himothy people. And I hope you guys like and subscribe. And hopefully I get moderator in this game, because that would be sick. Okay, let's go, guys. What should we do first?
Yeah.
What should we do first?
Yeah. I think we should go in the horror mode.
Let's go to horror mode. Let's go to horror. Everybody.
Here, wait, let me turn my volume down a little bit, because it's really loud. Okay.
No.
Mental Monkeys.
Oh, God. Oh, my.
High five.
Come on, go.
Owner of the game is VR Slippy. Hey, VR Slippy, if you see this video, you're Himothy. Okay, guys. Oh, he's right there. Watch this, guys. Ready? You guys ready to? Come on, boy. Come on. Yeah. That's what I thought. Yeah. That's what I thought. Yeah. Yeah. That's what I thought, bud. Yeah. Yeah. Guys, ready? Go, go. Jukes. Oh, I died. Oh my God, I'm in an infinite loop!
Yeah, but that jump scare's not.
Bro, I keep going in an infinite loop. What the heck? Where are you guys? Hello? Are you guys here? Where are you guys? Guys, where are you guys? Okay.
The jump scare is not scary.
Yeah, it's not scary.
Yo, guys, I just spawned outside the map.
Come on, come on. Here. Oh crap, oh crap. Bro, he's right there. He's right there. Yeah, boy, yeah. Watch this. I'm for about to juke his ass. Oh, dang it. Okay, guys, we have to lock in. Is there an end? We gotta go this way. We gotta go this way. I hear him. Where are you guys? Come on.
Hello, Maddie.
Up here. Bro, I can barely see my arms here.
Yeah, same.
Okay, guys.
Bro has that kind of big of arms.
Okay.
Guys, no.
Oh. Go back. We have to go that way.
Oh, they come from that way.
Oh God, he's right there.
How do you get? Wait. Let me just do something.
How do you get the monster here?
Wait.
You can't get me.
Can I grab the phone? Wait, what is that? Come on, guys.
Pokes his eyes out.
I have one get the monster here.
Oh my gosh, he's right there. Yeah, big boy. Yeah, come get me. Chat. Oh, thank you.
I have one arm. I have one arm.
Okay, chat. Got Righty VR. Artai. We have to go. We just have to send it, okay? 3. No, wait a second, Ryan. 3, 2, 1, go. Come on. Okay, come on. Very quietly. Never mind. Go! Oh, I just got jump scared.
I'm copying your outfit.
No, guys. We have to, there's a strategy. We have to go that way, lure him there, and then outrun him, and then go, okay? Okay, come on.
Yeah, okay.
First, we have to attract them, so we gotta... Come here, big fat guy! Come here, big fat guy.
Oh God! I see the
Can
monster.
someone show me how to play this game? I've never played.
Go, 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 go!
What is that? What is that?
Wait,
is
wait,
that?
King's
Is
VR,
that
King's
the
VR.
Oh, he's there, he's there. Come on, come on. Juke, juke, go, 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 go. He's right behind me. Ah! Dang it.
Bro, I don't see him right there.
Yeah, we have different screens.
King's VR, King's VR.
Wings VR. Wings VR.
The monsters switch for us, so you can see different monsters, and I see the monsters in a different location.
Yeah. Alright, so what we have to do? We have to attract the monster and then go that way, and then juke him out and then go that way.
Okay.
Ryan, download the game called Mental Monkeys.
Yeah, I got it. I got it.
We're not mental. We're monkeys, not mental.
Guys, are you guys gonna come? Oh no, never mind, no.
Run!
Wait, can you show me how to
Bro was chasing me. He jumps.
Oh, he's there.
No. What? I missed.
Oh, I died.
I glitched it. I was like, no. And I was like, I glitched it. Wait, King's VR.
Wait.
I glitched it.
Oh my gosh, I juked him out. Go. He's behind me. Oh, I'm cornered. I'm going. Oh my god! Oh my gosh, that's scary. Guys, do you hear me? I'm at the end right now. I'm gonna go back to the beginning. Just kill me, monster. Kill me already. Okay, kill me. Alright. Guys, I made it to the end. I know where to go.
We I juked the heck out of the monster. I juked it.
follow you.
I know where to go.
I'm not going.
It's just a dark pit, dude. It's a dark pit. It's scary.
Okay.
Yeah, I am not going.
I'm gonna do the parkour. Let's do the parkour.
Oh yeah, let's do the parkour.
Oh,
I'm doing a good job.
and I fell.
Oh.
No. Oh. Bro! Mental Monkeys. On Gorilla Tag on Oculus. No, on Oculus. It's a horror game. You can't?
No!
No, just MENTAL. Bro, I can't do this.
I fell. Wait, maybe I can honestly because I failed. No, I cannot. I fell the second level of it. I failed after that. Why? Oh God. I can't run
It's
that.
boring.
Guys, I dare you to bring the monster.
So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Go in.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And look at all these cosmetics. What is it? Slippy VR Slippy. If you see this video, please consider. I'm in the Discord server, so please consider making me a moderator, Slippy, or like anything, like a finger painter badge or something. But I hope you guys have a good day. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see ya.
Wait, I can't go